friends. This is WWE YouTube World Sushi Hateful is happening. Coming with the food review. Down in the floor. I usually do that's right here. Next to me. I'm doing food reviews here. But this is sitting like in the class table. Food review. So we got some bread and we got some stew. Mom made this stew. We got some carrots, some potatoes, carrots, celery, some kind of meat, and some broth. This is good. So this is my mom's selection of it. If this is my Q&A, it's on my other channel. It's Andy's Experiments. So if you like, you can go type it. You can go to Andy's Experiment. Go to the Andy's Experiments, and you get smash on the subscribe button there. And also, I got this channel right here, like Kids Usually, and Diracto, with all my free reviews and my episodes of it. And let's step into it. Alrighty, so you get some carrots, some celery, some beef, and some potato. Sushi, yeah, this is his taste alone. Mmm. 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 Wow. There's someone down. But who's bite? By the way, I'm usually eating fast because I know it's slow my double down. Dude, that is so good. I recommend this. And now, a piece of bread. Sushi, yeah. So here's this. Good bread. Overall. Homeo. Perfecto. Which is good because stew is not in my top efforts what I do over food reviews. So thank you for watching this video. You can hit that subscribe button on my Experience and schedule on like I said, which is Sunday. So tomorrow is a food review and slash Monday Night War episode. And on Tuesday it's just a food review. It wasn't War Talk. And on Wednesday it's just a preview slash Wednesday night NXT recap. Episode. On Thursday it's just a food review. On Friday, it's just a free review, and Friday Night SmackDown episode. And on Saturday, it's just a free review. So, thanks for watching the videos, guys. You can subscribe my YouTube money. It just Experience. Smash that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on that episode I have. But this channel, thank you for watching the videos, guys. And thank you for commenting, sharing, follow me on my internet, anything. So thank you for watching the videos, guys. Please drop a like, comment, subscribe, and don't on the notification bell. Never be so upload. And please watch second level special YouTube channel on my two channels, the Aces Americans and the Kids Sushi Durando. And please follow me at, please share to your friends, and please follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter. If you're not done with that, I have 10 words for you guys against Sushi. Yeah!